Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about having you all here. Please forgive me. I've been gone for quite a while, but I wanted to share with you guys today 3 reasons why service-based entrepreneurs should definitely be using YouTube in order to grow their business. Now, if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking that subscribe button and also click the bell notification so when I upload a video, you guys are actually notified. Now, let's get into it, guys. I want to share with you all 3 reasons why you should be using YouTube if you are a service-based entrepreneur. Now, number 3 is it is actually a way for you to get quality leads. Okay, so high quality leads. The cool thing about YouTube, you guys, is that people come to YouTube to search, right? They come here looking for a specific thing. And so if you are answering that particular question with your videos, then you're more than likely going to actually get higher quality leads. And if you're like posting on like Facebook or Instagram or some other platform, you guys, where it's not like a big search functionality, over on YouTube, you guys, there is a search functionality. And so your client, your prospective client, is looking for you, and so you can be found in the search. So that's the number 1 thing, guys, is that high quality leads. Now, number 2 is that you can actually get views and sales while you snooze. Okay, so it's nothing like waking up in the morning and realize you've gotten a discovery call booked, or waking up and seeing that you've got an actual sale. Okay, and that's because YouTube is like, all the videos become like little robots, you know, they're like little employees that are working for you guys while you sleep. So they don't need vacation time, they don't need to call in sick, they don't need, benefits or anything like that, but they're working while you're sleeping. So when your clients or prospective clients go and search for your specific search term, they find your video, then they're able to watch your video, they're able to take the next step, and the video is really helping you do those particular things. So you definitely want to have some sort of system set up in place so that a person can either book a call with you or go through your funnel or something like that. And if you guys need some help with that, be sure to reach out to me. If you don't have a funnel or anything for your business, definitely reach out. I would love to help you guys with that, okay? So that's number 2. Now, number 1 is that really on YouTube, guys, you can actually buy eyeballs. And what's cool about it is that only about 9% of businesses are actually using YouTube advertising, which is very, 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 very lucrative, guys. And honestly, if you get into it now, you don't have very much competition at all. Just being honest. There's way more people watching videos than there are people doing videos. And so if you are a business owner and you're willing to do videos and also buy eyeballs to those videos, okay, then you could definitely win on YouTube, okay? So I wanted to share that with you guys today. Listen, 3 reasons why, as a service-based entrepreneur, you should definitely be using YouTube. If you guys need some help with growing your specific business, leveraging YouTube, then in the description box of this video, you'll find how you can book a free session with me. We can jump on the phone and we can see, where you are, where you want to go, and really kind of identify those things in the middle that are keeping you from achieving your goals with your actual video marketing strategy. Until next time, guys, I want you to be seen, I want you to be heard, but most importantly, I want you guys to get paid on purpose. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.